Hi, this is Sharon at Ballotpedia. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today what we're discussing is how to fill in the edit summary box on Ballotpedia before you save. After you've made changes to the edit box and are satisfied and you have previewed your work, you'll want to save it. There are two ways that you can do when you edit. Remember that first of all you can go to the Edit tab at the top, and it shows the edit box for the entire article. We're going to make a couple of changes, and I'm going to show you what to write in the summary box. In this case, we're going to change the information about the election that's found on this article. And so instead of saying he ran for election, we're going to say was re-elected to the Wisconsin State Assembly, and then we're going to go over here, and since the election is passed, we don't want to have the present tense on there, so we want to change that. So we're going to just take out the words is unopposed only, so that it will read he was unopposed in the primary election and in the general election. And so that's the information that we want to do, and so we've previewed it and we have taken a look at it and we say, okay, this is the information. It says Suter was re-elected. There's the information. We want to make sure it stays on there. Now we're going to go down here to the edit box, find that there's a scroll bar there for the edit box as well as the main page, and we can see the information on here. If you want to see the summary box, you use the outside scroll bars and you pull down to this box that says Summary. In this box you need to type a short phrase describing the nature of your edits. So what we're going to do is to type in here that we added election results. Notice that I didn't write a complete sentence, just a phrase, something that describes what I have done on this article. So I could say I changed the tense too. Changing the tense shows the information was added after the election. And so we have added our summary there. Notice that this box does not depend upon any wiki code. It can be written in any way so that future readers can see what you have done. And you don't need to put complete sentences in there, just briefly describe in your own words how you have edited the page. Now notice on the preview you don't see anything that's written in the edit summary box. Okay? Now if you have clicked the edit link at that section, it's going to look a little bit different. And you notice that we could change this one to was re-elected and then change the tense, do the same thing here. But notice that in the summary box it shows what section that you're working in. That's good because it points the reader who looks at the history tab and tries to find out what happened in this article. We could have put on here added election results and change tense. There it is. Now when we have done that, either way we can go down here then and click Save Page. It's not a problem at all. If you make a mistake and you don't put the information for the edit summary, you can go back and click the Edit tab at the top of the page. Add your information to the summary box and click Save again. It will just show another thing on the History tab. Now I'm going to save this page. And then I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to click the History tab that shows the past revisions of this page. Our edit shows up right here. Notice it says we added election results and changed the tense. The history of edits that you find in the History tab for a page is used by Ballotpedia staff and others to determine the timeliness of the information. And in some cases it's used to find the source of information, and the source meaning who is the user that added the information. So filling in the edit summary is very helpful to you and to other readers on Ballotpedia. In this tutorial you've learned how to fill in the edit summary box, how that information is useful to readers and editors on Ballotpedia. Thanks for watching.